Hi there, Colleen here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a custom 404 page. Now, chances are, I'm going to show you what the regular one looks like. Chances are you've come across a website that looks like this. And something that you've been looking for is no longer there. And you get this generic message or it has a big old 404 on it or something like that. And you're like, okay, wait a minute, what's going on here? It doesn't really send the most trust me kind of message that you really want to be sending with your website. It kind of tells the viewer that either you're not very good at maintaining your site, or maybe you're not even in business anymore. If a page like this comes up, it's just not a good first impression. Luckily for us, it's really easy to fix. So we're going to come back here. That's the system default. This is what displays, but you also have another option. You can come in to pages. As you see, I have a custom one made here, and it's just as easy to do. Click on the plus sign, click on blank, click on blank, there it is. And let me change this now to custom 404 because I hit it too many times. Custom, I'm just going to change one here so you know what it is. And change all those till they say, what you want them to say. And I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to click enter. And in here, I like to just put a title that's maybe even a little humorous, like oops, or sometimes I put oh snap, because I think, people like that. They like it when it's a little bit humorous. And then you could just put your message. And if you see, I have mine already made up. And I've put, it seems like the page you're looking for has moved or is no longer available. Why don't you click here to go to our homepage and start fresh? And I just made a click-through link that links to my home index. And I said, if you need further assistance, please email us. And all I did here was added an email form and just a generic one that I named 404 form. So when somebody does email me from it, I know where it's coming from. Regular storage, and in the advanced, I just go scroll down and enable Lightbox mode and put in email me. And then that just gives me the button. And that's all there is to it. Just click save. Now we're going to go back to design. We're going to go back to that not found 404 page. And now we're going to go to the system default, and we're just going to kind of sneak down here until we see custom 404 page that we just made. And we're going to enable that. Then we're going to save. And that's all there is to it. So now when your viewer comes to a page that might not be there anymore, they're going to see something like this, which looks a whole lot more welcoming. And it really kind of explains a little bit more and tells them exactly where to go and how to get there by giving them an actual link. And it also, if it's something that was very specific, so maybe we had an event or something like that, that they wanted information for, but now they can't find it, they can email you and ask you about it. And that's really, what more do you want? You want your viewers to be able to contact you easily and to feel comfortable and trust you when they're on your website. And, this is a good way to start. And that's all there is to it. I'll see you in another tutorial.